Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 14th to 28th. For the 14th to the 18th, this is what we're forecasting. We have a zone of flow mainly across the northern states and a ridge across the southern states, and this will continue to cause very warm to hot temperatures across this region. And there will be rain occurring along the western and central Gulf Coast due to the eventual track of disturbance in the Bay of Campeche. We're going to take a look at that right now. Here's the latest satellite picture, and the eventual track of the disturbance late this week and into early next week will determine where the heaviest rain falls. For now, expecting the heaviest rain, we're going to go look at this surface. Will be across the Texas coast and into Louisiana. This is the eventual track. This is the GFS, and this will be across the extreme regions of the Texas coast. And we go to Tuesday, Wednesday, and then it's a system. Now, when you have these isobars so close together like this might be a hurricane, possibly before it reaches the coast. Possible. That's a big possible. And other models, we'll look at the European. Has it a hurricane too? And then we'll look at European ensembles that have intensified into a hurricane also, and then it quickly weakens. And then we'll have light rain occurring across the northern states as several fronts move across the northern plains. And we'll have the system moving into the northwest. That would bring heavy rain, locally heavy rain to the region late in the week. And there's a possibility of some snow in the higher elevations of the Cascades. And then another system will approach the east coast. A wave, possible tropical, will approach the southeast mid-Atlantic coast. You can see it down here on the bottom of the screen. And that could bring some rain to the mid-Atlantic and the southeast later in the week. We're looking at the period for September 19th to the 23rd. And a nearly zone of flow is forecast across the northern states. Troughs forecast over the northwest, with near to above normal heights across the remainder of the nation. See it like this. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures for this region here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for this region, and anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal are forecast. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for a portion of the northwest and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have below normal precipitation forecast for the Rockies, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead for the final period, this will be September 24th to 28th. We have a trough that is forecast in the west, ridge in the east, except for the European ensembles, which has above normal heights across much of the nation with below normal heights Canada. But most of the models are showing this kind of configuration, even the NAEFS to some extent. So I'm going with the with the consensus. And for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast here, and anomalies can reach as high as 10 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for most of the Rockies, and the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%, and we have above normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 14th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.